Let's make sure your website is always backed up automatically so you can set it and forget it, like actual peace of mind. No more backup roulette. From Dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, search for UpdraftPlus, click Install Now, then activate it. Once it's activated, go to Updraft, Setting, and this is where magic happens, part where you stop living on edge. Now let's set up your backup schedule. For file backups, I recommend daily or weekly, depending on how often you mess with your website. For database, weekly or every 2 weeks is usually enough unless you're out there blogging like it's 2006. Set it to keep at least 2 backups at a time. Now choose where backups should go. Click Remote Storage option, Google Drive, Dropbox, even email, and follow setup instructions. I'm connecting mine to Google Drive, but honestly, any platform on this list will work. They all do same job, some just come with better logos. Scroll down, click Save Changes, and follow prompt to sign into your storage and confirm setup. And that's it. Now you have automatic backups on schedule. No more crossing fingers every time you update plugin. Subscribe for more tutorials, or don't. But when your website implodes and you're crying into your keyboard, remember,